curious how birds achieve their remarkable navigational feats? They utilize special proteins within their eyes that react with the Earth's magnetic field, a process that intriguingly leverages quantum mechanics. Specifically, it's believed that a molecule called cryptochrome, present in the retina and activated by light, generates two radicals. These radicals become quantumly entangled, allowing their interaction with the magnetic field to bias them towards a quantum singlet or triplet state. This subtle quantum interaction influences the bird's magnetoreception, providing a sensory input that guides their migration. Now imagine a world shrouded in darkness, where migrating to planetary hotspots is vital for survival. Could birds in such a scenario also develop thermal vision to navigate? Join us in Imagine If's Midnight Realm, where we unveil birds navigating by the glow of life in perpetual night.